Hi friends, this is Satish Kumar from ECE. Today discussing about microwave engineering. In that microwave engineering, we are discussing about waveguides. The history of waveguide. History of the waveguide. The first structure for guiding waves was proposed by J.J. Thomson in 1893, and it is first tested by a Lodge in 1894. And the definition of waveguide. A waveguide is a structure that guides waves, such as electromagnetic waves or sound waves. They enable a signal to propagate within a minimal loss of energy by restricting expansion to one-dimensional or two-dimensional. This is a similar effect to the of water contained within a canal to one-dimensional or two-dimensional. This is a guns way barrels that restricted hot gas expansion of maximize energy transfer to their bullets. Without the physical constraint of a waveguide, signals will typically be radiated or decreased according to the inverse square law. As they expand into the three-dimensional space, there are different types of waveguides. For each type of waveguide, the original and common most meaning is a hollow conductive metal pipe used to carry high-frequency radio waves, particularly microwaves. The geometry of waveguide reflects its function. Slab waveguides confined that energy to travel in one dimension. The fiber or channel waveguides are traveling in two dimensions, and the frequency of the transmission waves also dictates the shape of the waveguides. And the principle of operation, the example of waveguides, a duplexer in a air traffic controller, radio waves propagation in all directions. It open space as spherical waves. The uses of microwaves. The uses of waveguides for transmitting signals were known even before the term was coined. The phenomena of sound waves guide through a taut wire have been known for a long time, as well as sound through a hollow pipe such as a cave or medical stethoscope. Other uses of waveguides, we are mostly used to a microwave. It is used by this phenomenon, and the power between the and transmitting power between the two systems such as a radio or radar or optical fiber. Thank you for watching.